Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on the Share Options capabilities inside our Forms feature. Using the Share Options, we'll show you how to share your form entries, both internally and externally effortlessly. First, let's enter the Forms feature. To set up Share Options, select an already created form and access its settings. Then click on the Share Options. You can choose to send the entry as an attachment, downloadable link, or within the email itself. Then you have 3 different options of how the form entry will be shared. You can choose to include any of them in the options. Let's break them down one by one. The first option will send a form entry automatically upon completion by the user. With this option, you can also choose to share the entry with an employee's direct manager or a specific user, such as a branch manager. You can even enter an email and share the form with somebody who isn't on your company's app. This is great, for example, if a form needs to be shared automatically with a client. Additionally, you can filter for specific information and share the entry only if it meets the set criteria. For example, if the answer to a selected question was yes. The second option gives the employee filling out the form the option to share the entry with users from a list you have pre-selected. As the employee submits the form, they will select the relevant user and the form will be shared with them. The third option will allow the user to enter an email address to share with manually. This option is great if you need to share a form with somebody outside the company but don't initially have their contact information. Don't forget to hit confirm to save your changes. Now each form entry will be shared automatically with the relevant recipients, without the need for your extra attention.